Good morning, students. Today I start the passive voice of past perfect tense. Now, in the active structure of the past perfect tense means the general structure is subject. Then we add here had. Then we add third form of the verb plus object. Do you know it very well? Very well. You have taught in your tense. Subject plus had plus third form of the verb plus object. Now the subject are in past perfect tense. Do you know it that there is two phrase. दो phrase होते हैं past perfect tense से tense में आप अच्छे से जानते हैं. Now I take the example. He had done the work before he slept. He had done the work before he slept. There are two phrases. First is he had done the work, and second is he slept. First has been done in past perfect tense, and second has been done in past indefinite tense. Now, when we make the passive voice of these two phrases past perfect tense, then we made only the we make only the first phrase past perfect tense. We make the passive voice of the first person means we make the passive voice of the past perfect tense. First is he had done the work. So then when we make the passive voice of the past perfect tense, the structure has been changed. Object is changed into subject, then we add here had, then we add been, third form of the verb by, then subject is changed into object. Object is changed into subject, then the work had been done by him, and the next phrase will be added, और जो नेक्स्ट फ्रेज है उसको ऐसे ऐड कर दिया जाएगा बिफोर ही स्लेप्ट. द वर्क हैड बीन डन बाय हिम बिफोर ही स्लेप्ट. नाउ I had taken the other example. I had he had invited us before the program started. He had invited us before the program started. Now the passive voice of this is he had invited us. You take only the first phrase. Then we had been invited by him before the program started. Now, when we make the interrogative of this, then what is the interrogative of the work has been done by him? जब भी हम इंट्रोगेटिव दो फ्रेज का बनाते हैं तो पहले फ्रेज का इंट्रोगेटिव बना देते हैं और सेकंड वाले फ्रेज को हम वैसे ही ऐड कर लेते हैं. पहले फ्रेज का इंट्रोगेटिव बनाएंगे और सेकंड वाले फ्रेज को हम ऐसे ही क्या करते हैं, ऐड कर लेते हैं. तो यह जो पहला फ्रेज है द वर्क हैड बीन डन, इसका हम इंट्रोगेटिव बनाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, हैड द यहाँ पे पहले फ्रेज का इसका एक्टिव वॉइस में इंट्रोगेटिव बनाएंगे तो ही हैड डन द वर्क, तो क्या हो जाएगा, हैड द वर्क done before he slept. Had the work done before he slept. Now what is the passive structure of this interrogative tense? पैसिव स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा इस इंट्रोगेटिव टेंस का? इंट्रोगेटिव टेंस है तो पैसिव स्ट्रक्चर में आपका हैड हमेशा क्या हो जाएगा? पहले आ जाएगा, प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट इज चेंज इनटू योर सब्जेक्ट, देन you add the been, third form of the verb, by, then subject is changed into object. यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? हेड तो आप ऐसे लगाएंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे सिंगुलर प्लूरल का मतलब नहीं है, आप चाहे सिंगुलर में भी हेड लगाएंगे और प्लूरल में भी हेड लगाते हैं, तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा हैड. आप इतने का इंट्रोगेटिव बनाएंगे ना, हैड द वर्क डन, क्या हो जाएगा? हैड, सॉरी एक मिनट, हैड ही, सॉरी ये गड़बड़ हो गया है, एक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर ये होगा हैड ही डन द वर्क. क्या हो जाएगा? हैड ही डन द वर्क, ये होगा. सॉरी फॉर दिस. जब इसका हम बनाएंगे पैसिव वॉइस हो जाएगा हैड द वर्क बीन डन बाय हिम बिफोर he slept. Had the work been done by him, had लिख करेंगे, फिर ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट बनाएंगे, ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ द वर्क है, द वर्क लिखेंगे, फिर आप बीन ऐड किए, फिर आपने थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब ऐड किया, फिर बाई ऐड किए, फिर सब्जेक्ट को ऑब्जेक्ट बनाएंगे. हैड द वर्क बीन डन बाय हिम बिफोर ही स्लेप्ट. नाउ व्हाट इज द नेगेटिव ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस? नेगेटिव क्या होता है? सिंपल है, ही हैड not done the work before he slept. This is your active structure. When we take the passive voice of this sentence, then the subject is changed into your object, then we add had, then we add not, then we add been, then we add third form of the verb by, then object is changed into subject. तो क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ? The work had not been done by him before he slept. आपको पता है जब आप इंट्रोगेटिव में WH इंट्रोगेटिव लेते हैं तो क्या लगाते हैं? WH इंट्रोगेटिव प्लस आप यहाँ लगाएंगे हैड, प्लस आप लगाएंगे ऑब्जेक्ट इज चेंज इनटू सब्जेक्ट, प्लस आप लगाएंगे बीन, देन वी ऐड द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब बाय, देन द सब्जेक्ट इज चेंज इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे है ना, वाई हैड यू कमिटेड सच ए मिस्टेक, यहाँ पे हो जाएगा वाई हैड, एग्जाम्पल मैं दे रही हूँ, कमिटेड सच मिस्टेक. तो यहाँ पे आपका आ जाएगा वाई, फिर वाई, फिर आप WH इंट्रोगेटिव वर्ब, फिर आप हैड लगाएंगे, फिर ऑब्जेक्ट इज चेंज इनटू सब्जेक्ट. सच मिस्टेक इज योर ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इट इज चेंज इनटू सब्जेक्ट. वाई हैड सच मिस्टेक बीन committed by you. Why had such mistake been committed by? This is your. Why had such mistake been committed by you? Now your past perfect tense has been completed. I have given you the notes of the past perfect passive voice, and here the exercise for you, homework exercise for you. Now it is time to revise your homework. I had given yesterday who was Who was finishing the work? By whom was the work being finished? He was teaching Mohan. Mohan was being taught by Hari. Sorry, Hari was teaching Mohan. Mohan was being taught by Hari. I was praising him. He was being praised by me. The carpenter was making a table. A table was being made by the carpenter. He was helping Sohan. Sohan was being helped by him. Were you speaking the truth? Was the truth being spoken by you? The servant was bringing vegetables. Vegetables were being brought by the servant. Why was he writing a letter? Why was a letter being written by him? Girls were singing a song. A song was being sung by girls. They were eating mangoes. Mangoes were being eaten by them. This is your passive voice. Now your passive voice structure is completed in past perfect tense. If you have any problem, then you can ask me on the WhatsApp. Thank you.